Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, A Perfect Place to Start. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 2 Dollar Tree banner ideas that are super easy and fun. So let's get started. The first project we're going to do today is a book banner, and the supplies we're going to need are a book, some stickers, and this clothesline that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So the first thing we're going to do is just open our book, and I kind of skip over the beginning pages and go just like into the main part of the book, and I'm going to tear out 8 pages because I'm going to make 8 banner pieces. Next, I'm going to take my template, which is actually a banner I picked up at the Dollar Tree. That was a happy birthday banner, and I just decided to go ahead and trace that, and I'm going to trace this banner piece over the book pages. I don't cut off the top here. It looks like I'm just tracing around the words, but when I go ahead and use my scissors, I'm going to cut all the way up to the top because I'm going to fold over that top where there's a lot of white space to glue onto my banner. I am going to go ahead and complete these steps for the next 8 pieces of the book pages that I tore out, and like I said, I'm just folding over, getting rid of that white space so that I can glue the clothesline onto the banner piece. So I'm ready to glue the book pages onto the clothesline, and I'm just measuring about 3 inches between each book page. This clothesline was pretty amazing for the banners that I made today. They do have it in red and green. I'm hoping they have a white color. Let me know if you've seen a white color at the Dollar Tree because I would like to pick up one for maybe spring. So now we're going to take our stickers, and these are just the felt stickers from the Dollar Tree. They do have a sticky back on them, but I was having some trouble getting the sticky back off. So I just decided to use my hot glue gun, put some hot glue on the white part, and I'm going to glue these felt stickers down into about the middle of each of the pages. And I kind of line up the bottom of the heart with the bottom of the banner piece. Here's the final look, and I absolutely love it. It was so simple, but the red really stands out, and with the clothesline, they're kind of a perfect combination, and this looks super cute on my fireplace. So today's video is part of the Sticky Tuesday challenge, and this challenge is put on by DIYS and Kiki DIYs. I will list both their channels down in the description box with a link so you can go check out all the wonderful things that they create, and then I will also have a link to the playlist so you can check out everybody's creations for today's playlist. Everyone will be using some kind of glue in their projects. So we are ready for project number 2, and this is a gift bag banner, also with supplies from the Dollar Tree. We're going to be using this gift bag packet, and I picked up like 3 of these, but I ended up only needing to use 2 of each color of the gift bag, so you can pick up 2 packages if you're wanting to recreate this. The nice thing about this banner is it can be any gift bag that you want, so this can be custom to your preferences as far as the gift bags go. So I'm using that same template that I used in the book page banner, and I'm just going to trace it over my bag. What I ended up doing is cutting out both sides of the bag at the same time, and that way I get 2 pieces and I'm only using 1 gift bag. So I do end up having 8 pieces all together from the gift bag, but I'm only using 4 gift bags. So we're ready to glue it to the clothesline, and I measured out about 5 inches from the end of the clothesline to the start of the gift bag, and then I'm going to measure about 5 inches in between each of the gift bag banner pieces. So I'm just alternating between the like dark red gift bag with the hearts and the lighter pink gift bag with the hearts, and I have 4 of each of them, and I just alternate as I go along with the clothesline. Next, I'm going to take the wooden hearts that they have over there at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use my antique Waverly wax, cover it, wipe it off, and that was all I did to it. Then I'm just going to add some hot glue, and I'm only adding these hearts to the light pink banner piece, so it's every other one. I was going for a farmhouse look here, so that is why I kept it simple with the antique Waverly wax, but you could really do anything with these. You could paint them white, you could paint them pink, you could paint them red to match your banner piece. Really anything, any color would look good with these wood pieces. Next, I take some twine and I just tie a shoelace bow and I glue that bow over the hole that's in the heart. I feel like the twine gets a little bit lost in the banner after I get it all put up, so I'm thinking any kind of more bolder ribbon here might look cute, but like I said, I was going for a farmhouse look, so that's why I stuck with the twine. I just go ahead and complete that step for each of the rest of the hearts on the banner. Here's the final look of this banner, and I think it turned out super cute. I really love the clothesline for these banners, and it just kind of complemented these particular gift bags really well. I love this banner because it's definitely customizable and it can be made into anyone's style. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it if you hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. I love to do trash to treasure, seasonal decor, Dollar Tree DIYs, So if that is something that you're into, definitely hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to go down into the description box, click on that playlist, and check out everyone's wonderful projects for today. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you guys in the next video.